Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are crocheting this scrunchie. For this you will require a 4 mm hook, a hair tie, a tapestry needle, stitch markers and yarn. Also I have mentioned each item in the description box below to help you with the details. First we will start by making a slip knot, and for this I am showing you the visuals that how you have to make a slip knot. This is a beginner friendly tutorial. You will be able to make a slip knot by watching it if you are a beginner. After making slip knot, this is how you have to hold your yarn to start working with the project. And now we will start chaining. So we have to chain 12, and this is how you have to make the chain. See, this is your first chain. For second chain, place the hook like this, grab the yarn and pull it through the loop. Third chain, chain 3 done, and this is how it will look. See, the small V's forming are known as the chain. We will continue this and make total of 12 chains. 12 chains are done. Now take your hair tie and place it like this as I am showing it in the video. You have to join first and 12th chain together, and this will give you a loop, and then you have to start working onto that 12 chains. For joining first and 12th chain, insert the hook into the first chain, yarn over and pull it through the first chain as well as through the 12th chain. This is your slip stitch. Here the loop is ready. Now we have to work in this all 12 chains. Round 1, chain 2, and this will how it look after chaining 2. And now we have to make 12 double crochet in all these chain. For first double crochet, yarn over, and here is the first chain. As you can see, this is the first chain. Yarn over, put the hook inside the first chain. You have 3 loops. Again yarn over, pull it through first loop. You have 3 loops on the hooks. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and then again yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Here is your first double crochet ready. Mark it with the stitch marker. Moving on to next double crochet, yarn over, put the hook into the second chain, yarn over, pull it through the first loop. You have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull it through the 2 loops, yarn over, pull it through the 2 loops. This is your second double crochet stitch. Moving on to third one, yarn over, put the hook inside the third chain, yarn over, pull it through the loop, yarn over, pull it through 2 loops, yarn over, pull it through 2 loops. This is your third double crochet stitch. Moving on to fourth, this is the chain. Yarn over, put the hook inside the fourth chain, yarn over, pull it through the first loop, yarn over, pull it through the 2 loops, again yarn over, pull it through the 2 loops. Fourth double crochet is ready. Fifth one, yarn over, put the hook inside it, yarn over, pull it through that loop, yarn over, pull it through 2 loops, yarn over, pull it through 2 loops. You have to make total of 12 double crochet for round 1, and I will see you at the end of 12th double crochet. we are making the 12th double crochet here. You can always count back on stitches to make sure that you have 12 double crochet stitches, and this is how it will look after making 12 double crochet. Now we have to join first double crochet and 12 double crochet. Remove the stitch marker, put the hook inside it, grab the yarn, pull it through first loop and the last loop. This was the slip stitch we did. Now moving on to round 2. Chain 2, make double crochet in each stitch. In total you will have 12 double crochet. See, this is the first stitch, second stitch, third stitch. Similarly you will get 12 stitches, and in all that 12 you have to make double crochets. This is the first stitch. You will make double crochet in this. Yarn over, insert the hook, grab the yarn, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull it through the 2 loops, yarn over, pull it through the 2 loops. Also mark your first double crochet with a stitch marker at every round. Second double crochet, yarn over, insert the hook, grab the yarn, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull it through 2, yarn over, pull it through 2. Again, for the third double crochet you have to follow the similar pattern. Make total of 12 double crochet. I will see you at the end of 12th double crochet. We have completed 12 double crochet. Count back on stitches to make sure of it, and at the end join it with the slip stitch we just did in the round 1, like inserting the hook into the first double crochet stitch and then grab the yarn and pull it through the first loop and to the last loop. Round 3, make chain 2 and make double crochet in each stitch. You will have 12 double crochet in total, and at the end join first and 12th double crochet by making a slip stitch. Now from round 4th to 30th round you have to follow the same pattern only, that is make chain 2, 12 double crochet and then joining the first double crochet and 12th double crochet with a slip stitch. This pattern you have to follow till the end of the round 30. Here I am at the end of round 30 and I have to make one last double crochet, and for that yarn over, insert the hook into the stitch, pull the yarn, pull through 2 and pull through 2. This is how it looks. That is the final look. And now we have to join first round with round 30th. Before joining we have to complete our round 30, that is making slip stitch with the first double crochet. To end, chain 1 and tighten the stitch. Now our 30th round is completed. After this, leave a long tail of yarn as I am showing it in video. Cut the yarn after leaving a long tail. Now this tail we will use to join the first round with 30th round. Insert the tail into tapestry needle. At the beginning we are left with some yarn while we were making foundation chain and that slip knot. We have to take that yarn and insert it into the scrunchie. I have just shown that in the video. Now to join, take the tapestry needle and put the yarn into the first chain you can spot at your end. See, this is the chain here and this is the chain here. Now we have to follow the zigzag pattern, and this way you will join both the first round with the 30th round. Insert the tapestry needle here. Okay, from the same side again insert the tapestry needle, and on that opposite side, whichever stitch is in front of it, insert the tapestry needle there, and just you have to keep repeating this pattern till the end, and this way our first round is get connected with the 30th round. I am at the end of the round at the joining process. See, this is the joint we have created. Now here I am at the end. Now to mark the end, I will show you how to complete it. Pick up both the loops with tapestry needle from both ends. See, just like this as I am doing it with in the video. And now this is the loop we have created. Now we have to just take out the tapestry needle into the loop to form a knot. Okay, by doing this process you will automatically get to form a knot, and this will secure all the stitches and ends together. Here your scrunchie is ready. Now just we have to weave in the ends. That's also I am showing it in the video, that how you have to weave in the ends. At the end, after weaving, cut the yarn and your final pretty scrunchie is ready. If you have any suggestions, then please comment down below, and if you like the tutorial, then please do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.